Hello Plants Insider family, I am your host Succulent with Pothos Care Tip number 4. In today's video, we will see how to make a pothos pot more bushier. First of all, you have to plant more than one cuttings in a pot like this. You can see I have planted like 3 cuttings in the same pot, and ultimately you will make a bushier plant like this. And second thing you have to do is pin the aerial roots of the plant in a pot like this. Let me show you closely. These are the aerial roots. Put them on a soil and pin them like this so that they are encouraged to grow in a soil. I have already pinned up these stems in a soil. Look at these, and one is here. So that is how you can make a pothos more bushier and curl around the stem into the pot and make a heavier pot and have these multiple leaves. By pinning up these aerial roots into the soil, not just only you can make the plant bushier, but also you can increase the size of these leaves, because they have more than one food points from the soil where they can get food for themselves and make themselves more bigger. This is it for this video. We will meet you in the next video with some more information. Till then, take care. Goodbye.